Magpok Araro cookies has different variants. We have the original flavor, the classic, and we also have Araro cookies or Araro de cacao, and the recent is Araro mango flavor. Magpok Araro cookies are made of arrowroot flour, and then we mix all the necessary ingredients, and then after we mix and the finished product are being packed by Pilpet bottles. You can contact Pilpet at www.pilpet.com.ph, or you may also visit their Facebook page. If you want to try our products, Magpok Araro cookies, visit our Facebook page and Instagram or Viber 0977-345-3800 or 0917-891-6974.